Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix unable to hear anyone in Discord, and let's get started. So first of all, of course, open up Discord, and on the bottom left corner you should see user settings. Press on that and then go to voice and video and make sure your input and output device is the right one, and you set up input volume and output volume. Basically it's not unmuted, it's around 70 to 80%, right? And then you need to here scroll down until you see, as you can see here, where it is, diagnostic, voice diagnostic, and show a warning when Discord is not detecting audio from mic. So make sure this is enabled to basically troubleshoot when you basically when Discord is not detecting your audio from mic. So make sure this option is on, and here then you can close Discord and go to sound and settings, and here make sure that also output and input device is the right one and has normal basically master volume. Here also you can if we press on manage sound devices, you can test it out each your device and see if there is problem in it or not. And then the last thing here, what you can do here, you can go to sound control panel here and make sure you are on the playback. Make sure to basically see what output you are using. So for me is this one, and what you need to do here is to set to default, right? And after that, then if the problem persists, what you can do here next is to go to device manager. You need to go to audio inputs and outputs here and make sure you update your drivers, right? So for example, for me, this one, if you know exactly what to update, you can update it all. So what you can do here is to right click on it, update driver, and then you just need to press on search automatically for drivers and see if there is some drivers that you need to be installed in order to basically fix this problem. And if the problem persists, I highly advise you then to uninstall and reinstall the Discord, because maybe it has some corrupted files. So how you can do that? Go to apps and features, on search just write Discord, uninstall, and then go to discord.com and basically download the app. All right, again. All right, so that's pretty much it what I want to show you, and if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.